Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick video. I just got this old Ravel Rick Wilson #4 Kodak films car done, and finally got one of these Nascar kits done. Pretty fun build. Oh crap, I just dropped the hood. Oops. Now there's the motor. Got the motor all done. I don't know how well you can see inside. This window's missing for right now until I find it, but I think it's in another kit. Gotta touch up the exhaust tubes, but other than that, I'm calling it done. Oh, and the double shock that's missing on that side that only my cat knows where it is. So I put the in-car camera in it because I thought it was really cool looking, so I put that in there. That's what the antenna back there's for. But yeah, got her done, guys. So, well, finally got one of these pretty cool models done. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. There's the hood. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna have more NASCAR kits coming and more kits in general. So thanks, guys, along with the RC stuff. Thanks.